Next, we have Bank of America. You can't have 2 cards in a 2-month period. You can't have 3 new cards in a 12-month period. And you can't have 4 new cards in a 24-month period. Next is the 7 and 12 rule. So if you have a bank account with Bank of America and you've opened up 7 new cards in the past 12 months, your application will be automatically denied. The 3 and 12 rule is that if you don't have a bank account with Bank of America and you've opened up 3 new credit cards in the past 12 months, your application will be denied. Capital One only approves you for 1 credit card every 6 months, and this applies for both personal and business credit cards. So, if you open up the Capital One Saver Rewards card today, you have to wait at least 6 months before applying for a card like the Venture. Keep in mind that once you reach your 2-card limit with the Capital One branded cards, no amount of time between applications will help you get approved for the 3rd. Barclays has a few general guidelines that help to follow when applying with their cards. These are not hard and fast rules, as following them will not guarantee your acceptance, nor will automatically be denied if you don't. For starters, if you can apply with multiple cards in one day, and while it's unlikely that both will be automatically approved, Barclays will often combine these applications to one single hard inquiry. Data points have shown that Barclays will have a look at the prior spending on your current cards to determine whether to approve you for a new card. So if you're considering opening a new card with the issuer and seldom put spend on the current cards you have to work with the current card into your regular rotation for a few months before submitting for a new application. Similar to the 5 and 24 rule, the 6 and 24 rule kicks in if you have more than 6 accounts on your credit report in the last 24 months. Unlike the 5 and 24 rule, with Barclays, you can still get approved with a new credit card even if you have more than 6 accounts in the last 24 months. At present, they seem to apply this rule at will. US Bank only has 1 application rule and it applies with the US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite card. The rule states that US Bank wants you to have a prior relationship, either through another credit card or a bank account, before they'll approve you for that reserve card. The language on the Wells Fargo website states that you may not qualify for an additional Wells Fargo credit card if you have opened up a Wells Fargo credit card in the last 6 months. Additionally, like US Bank, data points have shown that Wells Fargo will consider your relationship status with the bank when determining whether to approve you for a new credit card.